Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and in this video, I want to show you how you can easily add your bank accounts to your Binance wallet so that you'll be able to receive payments, okay, directly into your bank accounts. Now, if you are into P2P, definitely you need a bank account because without a bank account, there is no way whoever that is going to be buying your crypto will be able to pay you. Okay, so for that reason, bank account becomes a necessity for you if you are trading crypto here. So what we'll do is this. This is P2P. Okay, so if you click on this P2P, you come to sell here, right? You see that when you let's assume you want to sell to this person and you click on sell here, you see it will require you put the amount that you want to sell here. Let's say you want to sell 50 USDT. Okay, you see select a payment method. So you see it's very necessary that you have a bank account, because if you don't have a bank account, if you click here, then there's no bank account that is going to be showing here. But in my own case, you can see I have different bank account that is showing here. It's because I was able to add it right from the beginning. So let's go to the dashboard. So I'm going to take you step by step on how you're going to add yours. Okay, so when you're on the dashboard of your Binance account here, what you need to do is this. You come up here, you see your profile here, you click on this profile. When you click on this profile, it's going to bring you to this interface. So all you just need to scroll down. Then when you scroll down, you come down here where it says payment method. Okay, you click on this payment method. Then you search up, you look up here, you see where it say P2P payment method. Okay, you click on it, then it's going to bring you here. Now right here I have my own bank account added already. Okay, but in your own case, if you are just going to do it for the first time, you're not going to see any bank account here. So the only thing you're going to be seeing here is just add payment method. Okay, then you're going to click on this add payment method. Okay, so you see adding payment method gives you the opportunity to add your bank account, and also you can add other payment method. Let's assume you want to add, be it Nutella, you want to add Wise, you want to add ATM, you want to add any other form of payment. Okay, you can click down here, right? When you click down here, you see you can add different kind of payment method here. You can see different kind of payment method, a whole lot of different kind of payment method here. So this is not our attention, so we're going to come and click back here. Okay, so we're going to click on this add payment method again. Now if you click on this add payment method, it's going to bring you to this interface. Then you see different bank accounts here, different banks here. You see different banks. If you're in Nigeria, you're going to see, like here you can see First Bank, Eco Bank, First Bank of Nigeria, FCMB, GT Bank. If you are not from Nigeria, you are going to see different banks from your own country. I'm seeing these banks here because I am originally from Nigeria, okay, and I am in Nigeria, so that is why I'm seeing all this. Okay, and one thing I want to advise you to do is this. If you want to choose a payment method, you should always choose this bank transfer. Okay, when you choose this bank transfer, invariably what you are telling Binance and the P2P user is that they can transfer money to you. They can send money to you through bank transfer from any bank. Okay, but if you go ahead and you choose Access Bank or Echo Bank or First Bank, if you choose any specific bank, invariably you are telling whoever that is going to pay you that you can only receive payment from those banks. Okay, from those banks that are listed there. Invariably, that is what you are telling whoever that is going to pay you. So the best thing to do is just to click on this bank transfer, this first one. Okay, now when you click on this first one, it's going to bring you to this interface. Now, if you look at this interface very well, you see that my name is already up here. My name is up here already because Binance wants you to always use bank accounts that carries your name. Okay, it is not expected of you to use another person's bank account to receive payment on Binance. It's against their policy. So you can see up here my name is here already. Then here now where it says bank account number, you're expected to put the account number of your bank. Let's just choose bank account here. Then you can see where it says bank name. You are expected to put the name of your bank. After you must have put the account number, you put the name of your bank. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to be using First Bank. Let's say First Bank. Okay, I'm going to put First Bank. Then you scroll down and you see it says account opening branch. This one is optional. If you like, you put your opening branch, but if you don't want, you leave it. But in this case, let me just use Lagos. Okay, I'll put Lagos there. After imputing all those details, you have to cross check to be very, very sure that the details that you've imputed here is actually correct. Okay, because if the details are not correct, then definitely it's going to obstruct any kind of payment that is expected to be made onto you. Okay, so you come down here after you've cross checked everything and you click on confirm. Now, when you click on confirm, to be completely satisfied that this payment addition is coming from you, Binance will need to confirm through SMS or through Binance authentication code. Okay, so in this case, I'll be using SMS. So Binance is going to send me a code, and I'm expected to put in that code here. Then I will confirm, and that will tell Binance that I'm the authentic owner of this account. Okay, so now we're going to click on this send code. So we're going to wait for the code to arrive. I'm actually doing this step by step. Okay, you see the code has actually arrived. So I'm going to pick this code. I'm going to paste the code in here. Okay, this is the code, and I'm going to click on submit. Okay, see, after submitting, you can see automatically the bank account has been added to my Binance wallet here, right? You can see the bank account here. Now, if you go back, and let's go back to P2P, I'm going to show you this bank account we just added. So you come back to P2P, click on P2P. Okay, let's assume you want to sell coin, you want to sell your USDT, and you click on sell here. Okay, let's assume we want to sell to this person here, and we'll click, let's assume we want to sell 50 USDT, or click 50 USDT. See, you are expected to put in your account number that this person you are selling to will be able to pay you, will be able to transfer the money to your bank account. So we're going to click on this, select a payment method. Okay, now you can see this is the account number that we just created. Okay, so if I click on it now, you see this is the account number we just created. So this person now is expected to pay 35,405 into this my bank account that we just created. Okay, so you can now see how easy it is for you to add your bank accounts to your Binance wallet. Okay, you see I took you step by step so that you'll be able to understand this, and I want to believe you got value from this video. Now if you got value from this video, I want you to do me a favor by liking this video so that others will get to see it, and also I want you to please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that for you. Okay, if you go to my channel, scroll through my channel, you see a whole lot of videos that I believe will be of benefit to you. Okay, thank you for taking your time to watch my video. Do take care of yourself, and bye bye.